This is the Balm of Gilead. This is the Frankincense and Sweet Myrrh Intensive Skin Healing Cream. So think drier areas, your feet, your knees, your elbows, okay? This one immediately feels different from your average creams that you put on your foot. It is richer. It is more intentional. And it is very much in the a little goes a long way category, okay? A little goes a long way. Remember that. The texture is deeply nourishing without being watered down. It melts directly into your skin, okay? And it stays put. That's exactly what dry, cracked, or sensitive areas need. So let's just say your feet. I love the frankincense and the myrrh blend. It feels so calm and therapeutic, especially after a shower or before bed. This is not perfumey, but it's definitely a present scent. This works beyond your feet, okay? You could do your heels, your ankles, your elbows, your knees, anywhere where it's extra dry or the skin is sensitive, okay? This says here it is intensive skin healing cream, all right? And this is exactly what it is. It isn't a quick absorbing lotion that you slap on. It is a treatment. It is a treatment. If your skin is truly dry, itchy, or compromised, this delivers real relief and long-lasting moisturizer, okay? So, what's the final verdict? What do we got here? The ingredient quality, it is all natural ingredients, the tallow and the, I believe it has avocado oil in it. It is purposeful, it is effective, it is thoughtfully made. This is not trendy fluff. This is rich, this is restorative, and this is genuinely comforting. This one earns a place in a nightly routine, definitely. I highly recommend it. The opinions are honest and based on real use. The product was provided by the brand.